Okay, let's see our conditional probability in action. So we've got the probability of A given B. So the first thing that we're going to do is use our rule, which tells us that the probability of A given B is the probability of A intersection of B over the probability of B. Now, the probability of A intersection of B is 160. And the probability of B is 300. So if we simplify this, it's going to be 8 on 15. We come to the next one. This is the probability of B given A. So as you can see, we've swapped those around. The numerator is going to be the same because the probability of B intersection of A is the same as the probability of A intersection of B. So in other words, it's just going to be 160 again. But now, because A is second, it's going to be the probability of A as our denominator. So we'll come here and read off 450. Now we would simplify this as 16 over 45. We'd come to our next one. Remember, we're using our rule, so we can immediately say that this is the probability of A intersection B complement, and over, because the B complement is the second one, that's going to be the denominator. All right, A intersection of B complement, A intersection of B complement will be 290, and the probability of the complement of B will be 400. So that means our answer here is going to be 29 on 40. And then we come to our last one here, which is the probability of the complement of A given the probability of the complement of A given the complement of B. Now, what you might notice immediately is that this and this, these are complementary events. So what I could simply do to answer this is go 1 minus 29 on 40, and that means my answer will be 11 on 40, because I know that this and this are complementary. But even if we didn't know that, and we just went through our usual protocol here, we would just go, all right, the probability of A complement intersection of B complement over the probability of B complement. Well, the probability of B complement is 400. And then this is 110. So it's going to be 11 on 40. And that's what we said. We said you could have gone 1 minus 29 on 40 because of this. And that would have given you 11 on 40. So recognizing when things are complementary is very useful and it can come in handy, but as long as you have multiple ways of figuring things out, you'll be fine. Perfect. And those are all our answers there.